In this video, we're going to talk about integrating Limelight CRM with MemberMouse. First thing we want to do is go to the payment method screen, and then under onsite payment method, we will select Limelight. In this field here, you'll paste the URL of your Limelight install, and then you're going to enter in an API username and password. And the way you can get those is by going over to Limelight, going to Admin Settings, API Accounts, and you can either add a new API user or choose from an existing one. I've already created one here, so I'll copy the username and paste it here. And then I'll copy the password and paste that here. And I'll scroll down and click Save Payment Methods. If everything was entered correctly, you should see a success message here. So I'll click OK. The next thing we want to do is set up a membership provider within Limelight CRM. So we'll go back over to Limelight, go to Clients and Fulfillments, scroll down to Membership Providers. And again, I already have one created here, but to create a new one, you just select from the Actions menu, Add Membership Provider. For me, I'll just click Edit. And in the postback URL field, you're going to paste in the URL that you find under Membership Provider postback URL. So I'll just copy that, come over here, paste that in there, and then you just give it an alias and click Save. Okay, so now the membership provider is good to go. And the way that you're going to utilize this is on every single campaign that you want to integrate with MemberMouse, you're going to select this provider name in the third-party integration section of the campaign. I'll just quickly show you how that works. I'll go to Manage Campaigns. I've created a demo campaign here, so I'll edit that. You'll select third-party providers and then scroll down to the providers section. And then under membership, you would select the membership provider associated with your membership site. This is an essential step that you need to do for every single campaign you want integrated with your membership site. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's talk about product integrations. I'll go to Offers and Products. And I've created 3 products in Limelight for use in this demo. Now, products are a concept in both Limelight and in MemberMouse. So what we need to do is map products in Limelight to products in MemberMouse so that when a product is purchased on either end, each system understands what it means to itself. So for example, if I go back over to MemberMouse and I click on Configure Limelight Products, I can see here that I've already configured a few product mappings. And what this is telling me is that for the free trial offer product in Limelight on the MemberMouse Demo A campaign, I want that to link to the basic subscription free trial product in MemberMouse. So anytime the free trial offer is purchased on Demo A campaign in Limelight, that will translate to the basic subscription free trial being purchased in MemberMouse, and any associated access rights with that product being applied to the customer's account. So let me just quickly show you how this works. I'll go to Call Center, Place Order, and I'll select the MemberMouse Demo A campaign. And I'll select the free trial offer. Don't need any shipping on this. And I'll scroll down here, put in a new email address. So now if everything worked correctly, when I go back over to MemberMouse and go to my Manage Members area, I should see that a new account was created for that email address that I just used and the appropriate access rights assigned to their account. And if I go to the Member Details area and go to Transactions, I can see that the MemberMouse product that I mapped to the free trial offer in Limelight is the product associated with this transaction. And while I'm here, I'll show you something else. The integration between MemberMouse and Limelight works both ways. So now if I want to apply a bundle to this account, and I'll select Upsell Product A, this is a product that I've already mapped to a Limelight product, and I'll just go ahead and bill card on file. So since I mapped this product that I just purchased to a product in Limelight, When I go to transactions, I'll see that that upsell product was purchased, and then I can view the resulting charge in Limelight. Now, the general rule for product mappings between Limelight and MemberMouse is that, one, for every product in Limelight, you will need an associated product in MemberMouse. For one-time purchase products and for self-referential subscription products, this is really straightforward. It's just a one-to-one mapping. However, in Limelight, let's go back to the product screen here. When you do things like free trials, it's actually a combination of two products. So this free trial product, after 14 days, will rebuild to the basic subscription product. In MemberMouse, this can be accomplished with a single product. You can have a single product that's a 14-day trial and then $10 every 30 days. But in Limelight, this is done with two products. So in order for MemberMouse to understand what should happen when either of those two products are purchased, you need to create a mapping for both of them. So you'll see here in the 14-day free trial example, I have the free trial product, which includes the entire billing description, 14-day free trial, then $10 every 30 days. But then I have a basic subscription with no trial for $10 every 30 days. And I'm mapping this product to the free trial product in Limelight, and I'm mapping this product in MemberMouse to the subscription product in Limelight. And of course, if you have a more complex scenario where you have a free trial going into a first month of $10, going into a second month of $20, going into a third month of whatever, then you would need a product in MemberMouse for every single product in Limelight and map them accordingly. Additionally, the same products in Limelight can be put across multiple campaigns. So I can take the basic subscription products in Limelight, I could put it on a demo A campaign, I could put it on a demo B campaign, a demo C campaign, etc. And MemberMouse sees this as different mappings. So the basic subscription product on a demo A campaign is different from the basic subscription product on a demo B campaign. And this is important because if I create a mapping for basic subscription on demo A, but then I create a new campaign and purchase basic subscription through that campaign, if I haven't specifically created a mapping in MemberMouse for basic subscription on demo B, then nothing will happen. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this because I think this is important to understand. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Manage Campaigns, and I'm going to copy the Demo A campaign. So this will give it all the same properties as the existing campaign, and I'm going to change the name to Demo B. The success location URL is only necessary on web form integrations. If you have an API integration, you don't need this. If it's a web form integration, you'll grab this URL on the campaign from the payment settings screen. You scroll down and copy the campaign success URL, go back over to Limelight, and paste that in there. So in your product configuration, you'll add all the products that you want to be able to purchase through this campaign. This is, again, the same as Demo A. You go through all this. And then you also, again, want to make sure that you have the membership provider selected here. So now that I've done all this, I'm going to click Save. And now I'm going to go place an order. This time, I'm going to do it through Demo B campaign. And I will purchase a basic subscription. Shipping. And I'll go ahead and submit that. Now in this example, I don't expect anything to happen on the membership site. And the reason is because I hadn't mapped any of the products from campaign B yet to products in MemberMouse. So following that purchase, Limelight would have contacted the membership site and said, hey, somebody just purchased the basic subscription product on the Demo B campaign. And MemberMouse would have said, okay, let me check my product mappings and see if I understand what Demo B to basic subscription product should result in MemberMouse. And it would have found no mapping, so it would have just ignored it. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create a new product mapping. And I'm going to say, okay, so for basic subscription no trial product in MemberMouse, I want this to be associated with the Demo B campaign and the basic subscription product. And I'll go ahead and save that mapping. Okay, so now I'll go back and I'll place another order for the basic subscription product. And I'll place this order. Okay, and now we should see, since we have a mapping, that a new account was appropriately created, which it was. The final thing I want to show you is the shipping methods mappings. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete one of these mappings so that I can show you how it works. So this screen allows you to map shipping methods within MemberMouse to shipping methods within Limelight. So if I go ahead and click Create Shipping Method Mapping, this will pop up a dialog and it will show me all of the shipping methods in MemberMouse that I have not currently mapped, and then it will show me a list of available methods in Limelight that I can map to. So I'm going to go ahead and select overnight shipping. Well, first I'm going to show you, I'm going to select one that's not the right mapping, and I'll try and save that. And you'll notice that it won't allow me to save this. So when you do either product mappings or shipping method mappings, MemberMouse will actually check to ensure that the prices are the same across both systems. So if you get this message, that means that there's a discrepancy between the price in MemberMouse and the price in Limelight, and you want them to be the same. So now I'll just go ahead and select the right one, save that, and now it allows me to do that.